I was wake surfing. As I fought to keep myself up, my entire knee dislocated and I completely tore my PCL, my LCL, and I partially tore my IT band and fractured a joint socket. I got surgery. They only replaced my PCL. I have a cadaver Achilles there. They opted not to replace my LCL. I was going to sports rehab center, and I just didn't feel like I was progressing fast enough, and I was like super depressed about being injured. It felt like a rehab farm there, you know. It was like 30-minute quick sessions, and like there's like just a lot of the beginning of my rehab process was like a lot of like manual manipulation, getting me to bend my knee again and straighten it all the way, and like a lot of stem therapy. But I didn't really feel like they were giving me the knowledge to like go and be successful on my own. Once I started coming here, they really like encouraged me to think about my injury like in a different way, and not so much like you know, my surgery wasn't entirely successful, and I was thinking about possibly getting surgery again, and they kind of changed my mind frame to be like, you know, you don't always need surgery, you know, you just build up the muscles around it, take some pressure off the joints and things like that. So it really changed the way that I thought about like rehab and my own capabilities. Reload, I feel like Reload is really great at educating you know, all the clients on like what they're capable of doing based on their injury, and like I asked Gary like a million questions about everything, and he has answers for all of them, and it really helps me like visualize how my body's moving and what's involved in the movement. I've never seen any rehab like or physical therapy place operate this way, or like I've never seen so many like former post-op surgery beasts come out of this place. Like yeah, I mean, I think they're so great. Like, I've done things that I've never done before, even with 2 good legs. Like, I've done like, I don't know, like my PRs and like squatting, deadlifts, like things that I would normally be afraid to do by myself, even with 2 good legs. Like, you know, here now I'm doing like over 200 pounds, and like I'm barely 115 pounds. So I feel very able-bodied, like considering my injuries. So.